Good afternoon everyone. As we all know, today we all are here for Diwali celebration. First of all, I, Mr. Ganesh Dhumar, on behalf of Second Public School, New Dhari, welcomes you to all my dear students and respected parents. Generally, we celebrate Diwali in the school with a lot of joy and enthusiasm every year. But this year, due to Corona pandemic, we are unable to celebrate it with our students in the school. So this year, we have made a plan to celebrate for our students so that they should not miss any event of the school. Dear students, from the bottom of my heart, I just want to say we all are missing you in the school on this great occasion. I wish you a very happy, healthy, wealthy and prosperous Diwali. May this Diwali brings all the joy in your life and removes all the problems from your life. So, I request Mrs. Jayasri Devate ma'am to tell the importance of Diwali to our students. Please ma'am.
Thank you, sir. I am Jayasri Devate here to deliver the speech about importance of Diwali. First of all, I wish you a very happy Diwali. May Goddess Lakshmi bless you with health, wealth, peace and prosperity. Diwali is the festival of victory, happiness, sweets and lights. This auspicious festival is widely associated with Lakshmi, goddess of prosperity. Diwali is usually celebrated 20 days after Dussehra. Home and house places, workplaces are decorated by diyas, rangolis, lanterns and flowers. There are 5 types celebration of Diwali: Dhanatrayadashi, Narak Chaturdashi, Lakshmi Pujan, Bali Pratipada and Bhai Dooj. Dhanatrayadashi. This is the first day of Diwali celebration. It is considered the god of Ayurveda who imparted knowledge of Ayurveda for the betterment of mankind and help to rid it of the suffering of diseases. On the night of Dhanatrayadashi, diyas are ritually kept burning all through the night in honor of Lakshmi or Dhanvantari. Second day, Narak Chaturdashi is the second day of celebration of Diwali. It is believed that the Narak Chaturdashi, on this day, Lord Krishna took an oil bath after killing demon Narkasura. The day thus considered important to take ritualistic bath before sunrise. On this day, people wake up early in the morning and apply Ujjal on their body and take a holy bath which is known as Abhyanga Snana. It is also referred Narak Chaturdashi is the day to abolish laziness, evil which create hell in our life. Third day, Lakshmi Pujan. This day of Diwali is considered the main festive day of the celebration. It falls Amavasya of Krishna Paksha. According to legend, goddess Lakshmi is the wife of Lord Vishnu. Goddess Lakshmi is the goddess of health, prosperity, auspiciousness and good fortune. To worship goddess, devotees decorate their houses with the finery and lights and prepare the sweets as offering. They pray goddess for their good fortune and well-being. Bali Pratipada. This day is known as Padwa. This day is dedicated to the relationship of husband and wife. Wives prepare aarti for their husbands. They celebrated this day as a bond of love of husband and wife. This day is celebrated in honor of return of the Daitya king Bali to the earth. It's also celebrated the victory of the Vishnu over Mahabali and all Asura. This day, farmers worship their cows and calves. It is also known as Govardhan Puja. Last day, an important day, is Bhau-Bij, or it is also known as Bhai Dooj. Diwali which is dedicated to the love bond of brothers and sisters. On this day, sisters give gift to their brothers and perform aarti for their brothers. They apply red tikka on the forehead of brothers. Of course, Diwali is the biggest and brightest festival for the all Hindu festivals. Each of the day, this festival separated by different traditions. So, may the lamp of joy and remain illuminated in your life now and forever. Have a very joyous Diwali. Thank you sir.
Thank you, ma'am. As we all know, we start with the head of family, so it is my immense pleasure to invite the head of Signet family, that is our beloved principal, Mrs. Ajita Parvat ma'am, to wish our students. Please, ma'am.
A very good afternoon to one and all. Honorable Trustee Mr. Rushiraj Sawant sir, Director Mrs. Sheetal Tak ma'am, all my ducklings, my dear students, and all respected parents. As we all know, from day after tomorrow, Diwali vacation is going to start. And I am very happy and wish may this Diwali, each diya, illuminate your life and burn all your troubles and problems, filling your life with happiness and prosperity forever. Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. I pray God may the problem of Corona vanish from our life and Goddess Lakshmi bring joy, peace, contentment and health in your life. Wish you a very happy and prosperous Diwali to one and all. Happy Diwali.
Thanks a lot, ma'am, for your sincere wishes to our dear students. Dear students, I know that you all are missing school and the teachers. Do you wish to see the teachers wishing you happy Diwali? Yes, your teachers, principal ma'am, coordinators are going to wish you a happy Diwali in a different manner one by one. So we'll see that.
Happy Diwali.
May the light be as colorful and shimmery as the lights of Diwali. Happy Diwali to all of you.
Wish you happy Diwali, all of you. Love you.
Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali.
Be a flower of light, brightening up your homes with happiness and prosperity. Wish you a very happy and healthy Diwali.
Decorate your life with rainbow of happiness.
A for affection of loved ones.
N for nourishment of good food. G for glory in every field. O for overwhelming success.
L for lasting good health.
I for instant smile.
Wish you a very happy
Diwali.
जणू ही दिव्याची स्वर्गातूनी रासवैभवाची चांदण्याचा उतरल्या या धरेवरी चांदण्याचा उतरल्या या धरेवरी.
Diwali is the festival of lights and joy. Happy Diwali to all of you.
Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali.
तुम्हा सर्वांना दिवाळीच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
This Diwali only diyas, no firecrackers.
Celebrate your Diwali with this holidays.
Have a smoke-free and breath-free Diwali.
So let's celebrate Green Diwali.
Happy Diwali. Very happy Diwali, my dear children.
दीवार ढहाकर आपस में सब मिलजुल कब बढ़ाए. भेदभाव ऊंच नीच की दीवार ढहाकर आपस में सब मिलजुल कर कब बढ़ाए. पर सेवा का संकल्प लेकर मन में जहाँ से नफरत की दीवार ढहाए. सर्वहित संकल्प का ताल सजाए, सर्वहित संकल्प का ताल सजाए. आओ मिलकर दीप जलाए, अंधेरा जला से दूर भगाए. आओ मिलकर दीप जलाए, आओ मिलकर दीप जलाए.
Wish you happy Diwali.
वात्सल्य पाना देऊनी तुला मी केली हळीचे फूल गोजिरेली लोचनात ठेवली तुला सोनुल्या लोचनात ठेवली तुला सोनुल्या.
Hello students, all my dear students and parents, wish you happy Diwali.
तुम्हा सर्वांना दीपावलीच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
आली दिवाळी लक्षदीप हे उजळले घरी दारी शोभली फळा रांगोळी फुलवाटी अंगणात.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, all. I am Mrs. Anita Gode, teacher of Senior Public School, New Nare. This is a proud moment to stand before you to propose a vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to thank the Almighty who has showered us with His abundant blessings on this day as we celebrate the Festival of Lights. I would like to give a special thanks to our Honorable Trustee of JSPM and KSSF Institutes, Mr. Rushida Sawant sir, for taking initiative for different platforms for the students and parents. Opportunities are to be used, but not to be misused. Yes, I would like to thank none other than our dearest principal ma'am, Mrs. Ajita Patel, who keeps on listing miles of opportunities to celebrate our Indian culture. Next, I would like to thank our CCA department who always come up with different ideas of celebrating festivals. Then I would like to thank all the teachers who wish you Diwali in a different manner. My sincere thanks to non-teaching staff and the Maushis too for your support. Once again, I thank one and all and wish you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Thank you.
इस दिवाली आपके घर खुशियों की बरसात हो, संकटों का नाश हो, माँ लक्ष्मी का वास हो, जीवन में रोशनी और रिश्तों में मिठास हो. विशिंग यू ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी दिवाली, क्योंकि आप सब बहुत खास हो. दिवाली सी रौनक पूरे साल तुम्हारे घर में हो, मैं मेरा परिवार कहे हाथ लक्ष्मी का सर पे हो. दिवाली सी रौनक पूरे साल तुम्हारे घर में हो, मैं मेरा परिवार कहे हाथ लक्ष्मी का सर पे हो. विघ्न कोई ना छू पाए और रोशन घर का आंगन हो. दिवाली सी रौनक पूरे साल तुम्हारे घर में हो, मैं मेरा परिवार कहे हाथ लक्ष्मी का सर पे हो. दिवाली सी रौनक पूरे साल तुम्हारे घर में हो, मैं मेरा परिवार कहे हाथ लक्ष्मी का सर पे हो. दिवाली सी रौनक पूरे साल तुम्हारे घर में हो, मैं मेरा परिवार कहे हाथ लक्ष्मी का सर पे हो. विघ्न कोई ना छू पाए और रोशन घर तुम्हारे